every day that goes by, more evidence, more proof about fake news and the Russians and Cambridge Analytica and misogyny and sexism. I mean, it's hard. It's very hard, and you need a strong president and a strong Congress to combat that. And right now, for whatever reasons, and I honestly don't know all the reasons, you've got Trump basically parroting what Putin says. I think we are in a really bad spot because I don't understand exactly what is happening is going to better prepare us for the future. It just seems like we're off on tangents. It's very unpredictable, unstable. He is determined to destabilize the West. He would like to break up NATO and the European Union, and he would like to sow discord and divisiveness within the United States.